Well, hello, William Williams, Philippines. It's about 11:45 a.m., just a few minutes before noon on Tuesday, June 17th, 2025. Kind of tired. Got a bunch of stuff delivered over to out of the back of the car and delivered to the person that was getting it. Broke one of those Pyrex, not Pyrex. Anyway, it's one of those baking pans for the oven, doing pies and such, and it does that shatter thing. Oh, that's fun. Got a whole bunch of little pieces. Had to go vacuum the back end of my car out. Yeah, fun stuff. It's always so fun when you get one of those little things sticks you. Mm-hmm. Fun. Yeah, it is what it is. But I got rid of a whole bunch of baking stuff to somebody who wanted it and was happy to get it. Enjoy. Uh, I, I don't know. I actually had to work pretty hard last night, and the bloody computer at work, they did an update, and that update killed the computer for a while. I don't understand why they do it in a way that stops the computer. Can't you run it and all you have to do is install it all and then down and back up and be ready to go in an hour? Not three. I wonder how much business they actually lose because of that. Yeah, not for me to worry about. Not my stress load. Uh, yeah, life goes on. It is what it is. But it's fun when I actually have to earn my keep. Pretty much a full day today at the job. Well, full day last night at the job. That's a good thing. Means I actually earned my paycheck. It is what it is. Anyway, my people didn't show up today. At least they haven't yet. Uh, we'll see. That and I think I found the pair. I'm pretty sure I'm going to go with a pair of them. But I can get one, but it's smaller. It's 24-inch for 109 bucks and not have to spend any extra. Or I can, and have some left over. Or I can get one that has two, package that has two, and I end up with one that's 26 inches. And that gives me the space that I need. I don't know. Plus the little one that goes with it. And that would work good for paperwork. Also seen another one that's a 24-inch that's a little more expensive, but it's a nicer suitcase. Has the wheels that pop off. About 40 bucks. No, 35 extra. I don't know. Still trying to burn a brain cell and got to wait for my refund to come in if I don't want to spend any more money. Trying not to do that, spend more money. That's why the nicer one I probably won't get it. It would be nice, but uh, yeah. I don't know about you, but trying to save the dollar. Let's see. Had the one of the folks that came in and they was tapping the credit card. It says tap. And it don't work. I wonder why. Self-inflicted. I know you're not supposed to be mean and just call them EDI. Idiots. Yeah. But some days it really does make you want to do that. It is what it is. Anyway, got to remember to be nice. I try. I'm not good at it. I'm better than what I used to be, but still, it does require work. I'm trying to avoid that. I'm old, having to learn new stuff. I don't know about you, but I'm getting tired of having to learn stuff. Only thing I want to learn has to do with fishing. What time of day is good for the which beach? That's all I want to figure out. Anyway, yeah, I got more email just showed up. Found something on. I've been getting, working with or going to a auction house, Bentley's. And they sent me an email, and it's a box store sell off returns and such. And one of them had, I was just ripping through there real quick. And one of the things they had was a 4 pack of Apple iTags, AirTags. Yeah, AirTags. I put a bid in on it. Well, I'm winning right now. We'll see. If I get it at the price I want to, it'd be good. I don't think I'm gonna try to go past that though. Somebody else can have it at more than that. If I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. I done put my bid in, and that's as high as I'm going. So I'll find out if I have air tags tomorrow. Well, tonight when I wake up. That's my yeah. I ain't gonna stay awake for it, and it's one of those online ones, and it's gonna start shutting down at 5 tonight or 6 tonight, and be done by 9. Yeah, 8 or 9, something like that. I don't know. There was a lot of things in there, so it may take a little later and be 10. I think there was 1,700 items, so pretty good number. But they have it on an automated system, and it'll keep bumping it if you keep bidding. So I don't know. Saw a pair of flip flops I like. Well, sandals, yeah, whatever you want to call them. Not actual flip flops, but kind of. Apparently, they're popular. They went way past what I was willing to give for them. Yeah, $15 last I saw. Uh-uh. I'll go barefoot before I pay that much money on an auction. Uh-uh. For a pair of sandals? No. I already got a pair of sandals and they only cost me 18. So yeah. But they were brand new out of the store. So yeah. And I know they fit. But these were supposed to be the same size, so I figured they would, but if I, they went past my dollar amount, so it ain't happening. But I hope I do get the air tags. That'd be useful. Anyway, I'm going to let y'all go. I'm tired. It's been a long night, and I just really need sleep. So, yeah, it's important to get sleep. I need to get there. And I still got one phone call to make before I go to bed. So, anyway, y'all have a good day and blessings. I hope your work week's an easy one. This is my Thursday afternoon, so work tonight, off tomorrow and the day after. Woohoo! Yeah. So, yeah, lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. And again, more food. And yeah, do the like, comment, subscribe thing. It's your choice, your doings. Whatever you do, do it and enjoy it. That's the important part. Enjoy your life. Folks don't seem to remember that. Anyway, I'm Fish, and fish out.